All right, guys, we are in Surfside, and this is a family ocean view room with a veranda, so it's a balcony room. It's fantastic, and I can't wait to show you all these cool little hidey holes. So come on in. Here's our room. We were in room 10747, very specifically. So welcome to our lovely, spacious couch. Can lounge on. And then over here we have a lovely vanity with several drawers. Everything you need, including breakfast menu if you would like some room service. Little mini fridge down there. Plenty of spots to get ready. Now, let me show you something really cool. There is no wasted space here. Look at all of that. We've got little baskets for items, plenty of hanging. You can have long hanging or short hanging. And then this part, I really love. It's a full-length mirror, but if you open it, we have more storage, as well as our safe. Show you the bathroom next. And here's the bathroom. As with all cruise ship bathrooms, not a ton of space, but very well used. The space in that shower is actually extremely spacious, so I've got to love that. Mirror, as well as plenty of storage right there.